Imani here. I'm back for another video, and as you guys can see, I have finally installed passion twists into my hair as a protective style, and I did it by myself. So let me back up because I actually didn't do the whole thing by myself. So I used the rubber band technique on my hair where I got my hair section into different parts. I don't even know how many parts I used. I told my friend 30. She did way more than 30 because my hair is just so thick. But my friend actually did the parts for me because I can't part myself, y'all. She did the parts for me. She put the rubber bands into my hair, and then I installed the hair and twisted it all the way down. So yeah, I did have a little bit of help, but you know, I'm proud of myself for what I could do because you know, like a year ago, I couldn't do none of this. So progress. But yeah, so pretty much I did the rubber band technique as I told you guys before, and I'm going to insert a clip in a minute to show you guys what I did because explaining it honestly is very difficult for me. So y'all are just gonna have to watch and see. But pretty much my hair was sectioned into many different sections in little rubber bands, and then I had a crochet needle which I took and put it underneath the rubber band, if that makes sense. Took the hair, made like a little loop, you know, in half, attached it to the crochet needle, pulled the hair through so that there was like a little loop on one side and the hair on the other. Took one section of this side of the hair, pulled it through the loop, okay, to get that little piece up here to tighten, and then I twisted it all the way down. I'm sure I didn't explain that well, so here's a clip. But yeah, so like I told you guys in a couple videos ago, I am going to be very serious about protective styling. I'm also about to go on vacation. I'm also leaving in a couple of hours, which is why I had to make sure that I could do this before I left. You know, it's the year of the protective style. I want my hair to grow. We already talked about its health and length this year, and protective styling is just what it is. Alright, I don't remember the exact brand of hair that I got, but I did order it off of Amazon. I got like 7 packs of it, and I used 5 whole packs and then like 4 extra strands, like 4 extra pieces from the 6 pack. So I still have 1 whole pack and a lot of another pack left over for whenever I try to do this again. I have a big head though, so I can't even like have you guys guess based off my head, but I got a big head, I got a lot of hair, so I didn't need that much. But I am surprised that I didn't use all 7 packs because I do have a lot of hair. But yeah, so I got it off of Amazon, and I don't believe it was more than $35 for the 7 packs, and it also came with a few little like jewels that somewhere, you guys see it, right? I can't like grab it for some reason. Right here. Came with a few jewels as well as the crochet needle, which was really nice because I actually did not have one, didn't even think to buy one, which was odd since this was a crochet style. But yeah, so I'm really excited about it. I love it. You know, there's a few pieces that I messed up on, but it's okay because it's hard to see. They're pretty much in the back or like in places that I just could not tell what I was doing. But let me give you guys a close-up of it so you guys can see that, you know, I actually did a decent job. My friend did the parts for me, and I'm so glad she did because the parts are just looking super sweet. And the actual hair itself is not looking too bad. I didn't, you know, kudos to me. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking this look as much as I'm liking it. I'm gonna keep these in as long as possible, and I will let you guys know just how long they take. I'll also do like a takedown video because I honestly have no idea how I'm about to take these things down. Like, I really don't know, but that's for future Imani to figure out. If you guys know, or if y'all know a video I need to watch for that, please leave that in the comment section below. Please, I beg you. Also, I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below. Don't buy just yet because, you know, I'm about to like wear this joint out. I will let you guys know how it turns out after my week of vacation, and if it holds up, I would definitely recommend it. So you guys just make sure y'all stay tuned for that. I might just post that either on my Instagram, my Twitter, or on the little community feed that we have here on YouTube. So I will let you guys know that, so it's not like a whole video about it, okay? Other than that, I will see you guys for my next one. Bye.